Here are my 5 favorite flybys of all time. What are your favorites? Number 5, the Blue Angels signature diamond formation pass. Number 4, the Air Force Thunderbirds signature mirror edge pass. Number 3, the Blue Angels take on the mirror edge pass. And number 2, the B-1 Bomber swept wing high-speed pass. And coming in at number 1, the all-too-famous A-10 Warthog Burt GAU 8 gun run pass.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
I'm a pimp, hoes falling for the pimp and rap game. Slowly up that tempo just enough to keep these bitches time. Making fame, off a nigga dick.
The greatest fighter jet ever built, which is the F-22 Raptor.